Sinona, a lady in a white cloak, by Power Rangers Group. Long ago, in an old house nestling deep within a dense forest, there lived a young woman with her father and two younger siblings. The girl was known for her beauty and kindness, but her life took a tragic turn when she fell in love with a young man from a poor family. Despite their sincere love, the relationship was disapproved of by her parents. They hoped she would marry a man of higher status and wealth. They repeatedly forbade the relationship, and the constant pressure eventually broke the girl's spirit. Despairing and unable to withstand her family's demands any longer, she made a fateful decision. One quiet night, in the stillness of her home, she chose to end her life by hanging herself. Her family discovered her lifeless body, but it was too late. She was gone, carrying her love and sorrow into the afterlife. She was laid to rest in the backyard beneath the shade of a large tree. Her death cast a dark shadow over the family. Shortly after, her father and younger siblings sank into deep depression. Mysteriously, they fell ill, and one by one, they passed away.
Their bodies were buried alongside the young woman's grave, leaving a lingering air of grief over the place.
As the years went by, the house stood abandoned.
Forgotten and overtaken between its land become overgrown with trees and thick underbrush.
The old house and its surrounding were cleared, and the Perlago, perusahaan gula Gorontalo, a sugar factory, was erected. Soon after, tales began to circulate. Workers frequently reported sensing the presence of a woman they had never seen before. Some heard footsteps echoing in the dead of night, while others glimpsed the silhouette of a woman dressed in white. A few even claimed to have seen an old man wearing a straw hat and young children standing near the trees or behind the factory buildings, particularly around the sugarcane milling area. Yet, the figure that appeared most often was that of the woman. This woman is believed to be the spirit of the young girl, now known as Sinona. She frequently appears, especially to those working late into the night. Her face is pale and her expression is cold, as if waiting for something she could never attain in life. Although she never harms anyone, her presence sends a chill through the hearts of those who encounter her.
Some employees have shared that Sinona is often seen sitting alone, staring blankly at the factory.
On occasion, she is spotted gazing at workers resting in sugarcane trucks. She only makes her presence known at certain times, such as during the rainfall or when the sugarcane milling season begins. In moments of quiet stillness, her figure becomes more distinct, serving as a haunting reminder of the tragedy said to have unfolded on that land. Though the factory has changed names several times from Nagamanis Plantation to Rajawali, PTPG Tolangohula, and eventually PTPG Gorontalo, the name Sinona remains a constant among the workers. It symbolizes a tale of love and sorrow that refuses to fade. Even today, her ghostly form is still seen, as if unwilling to be forgotten by a world that has moved on without her.